This video series is brought to you by the ASU Writing Center within the Academic Support Network. Thank you for joining me as we discuss part 2 of MLA citation. In this video, we will be discussing formatting your paper. Let's get started. General formatting of a paper written in MLA style includes 1-inch all-around margins, a font size of 12 and Times New Roman, double space, 1 space after the period, and indentation of the first line of paragraphs 1/2 inch or by hitting the tab key. The formatting of a title page in MLA style includes the following. No title page. On the upper left-hand corner, you include your name, the professor's name, the subject, and the date in day, month, year format. On the top right of the page, you will find a header with your last name, followed by the page number. Note that this should be 1/2 inch from the top of the page on the right. In a written paper, section headers are often used to divide research papers into sections to help with organization and clarity. MLA does not require a specific format on how to format these sections, but they do recommend to stay consistent throughout the paper. For example, an author can decide to number their sections of their paper or use unnumbered level headings, as displayed on the slide. This is the works cited page of everything discussed in this video. If you have questions about anything we covered in this video, our online study hub is a great place to post questions and get a tutor or peer response. If you would like to continue learning about formatting your MLA paper, Purdue OWL has an MLA overview and workshop resource, which can be found at the bottom link. Thank you for joining us to discuss formatting MLA, and we hope to see you in our next segment. Thank you.